Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the PD charger by Samsung, and it is a 25 watt charger which I got it because most of the Samsung phones nowadays they don't bundle up the charger. If you want to purchase this particular product guys, check out the link in the description to get it from Amazon. And let me just open the particular box, and as you can see over here it is a white color box which we have it, and the charger is also white. And the reason why I got this particular charger instead of something like Pigeon or something like Daily Objects is because I just wanted to gift it to one of my family member who is also having a Samsung phone. So if you like this kind of videos, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates. Also guys, I've been using this particular charger with my iPhone and I had no issues with it. Even it charges to like 20 watt for my iPhone 12, and it is one of the perfect chargers which you can buy it because Samsung being a very reputable company and they provide a nice charger. And the only thing what issue I faced was when it comes to a long period of charging, and especially with the M34 5G which is having around 6000 milliamp hour battery, it hits. So after 1 hour or 2 hour, it you can actually feel that charger is hitting. That's the only issue which I thought, in my opinion. Again, this is a PD charger, so you can use it with your Pixel devices as well, or any phone which is supporting the PD. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please check out these awesome videos which we have it, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below whether you're thinking of buying this particular charger or not. And again guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.